I apply the Pimbi Plain in Makeup by Yolando Eye Base. I'm going to use the Milani The Beautiful Nightmare eyeshadow palette. I am still working with grays, and in this palette I have one gray, and I'll use a combination of other colors with that gray. I am using a wine color, and I'm putting that wine color in my crease. Remember, the gray is the star of the show. So deepening the inner corner and the crease with that wine color. There are many ways to use different colors in your palette. Open your palette. The colors that speak to you or the colors you think you need to use is what you should use. Do what makes you happy with your eyeshadow palette and your makeup. I know there are lots of do's and don'ts and all of that stuff, but if you try listen to all the do's and don'ts, you might just get overwhelmed and don't want to use your eyeshadow palettes. Use your makeup the way you see fit for you. Today's encouraging word is by Helen Keller, and it says, life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. To keep our faces toward change and behave like free spirits in the presence of fate is strength undefeatable. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. I am now going to use the gray, and I'm going to put this in the brow bone. Life is either an adventure or nothing. Life. Our motivational word for today. Life is either an adventure or nothing. Because all through life, it is truly an adventure. This gray is darker and it has a different undertone. It is also a cool tone gray. So I put it in the brow bone and I'm just blending it with the wine color that I put down. Remember what the encouraging word is. It says life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Sometimes some things in life scares the living daylights out of us. But the minute we try it, we realize, wow, all that fear has been lifted. So pick your battles, pick your adventure, pick your adventures, and go for it. This is what the gray looks like. I'm going to swatch it. This is what the gray looks like. It's a cool tone gray. I'm going to add a shimmer on my lids, and I am going to use my old sticky eyeshadow base from Makeup Revolution. It still has something in there, so I'm going to use it. I'm just going to put a little bit on my lids where I want to put the shimmer. Sometimes I go more than I really want to, but we will see what that does today. I never stay one place. I always say, oh, I'm going to stay right here. And then I end up migrating somewhere else. So I'm just putting it down just in case I do that. There is this shimmer here or this shimmer here, which the green has migrated in because the quality of the eyeshadow, it is nice, but there is kick up. I'm going to go into this one. The green has migrated to all of them so far, but I'll take this one. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put it on my lids. And as you can see, it's close to the gray. Very little bit of fallout from that shimmer, just a little bit. I'm going to go back into the gray and I am going to tie the color from the brow bone and tie it into the outer corner, just like that. The gray was incorporated in my look for today. It's in the brow bone and then down to the outer corner and also underneath the lash line right here. I put it all the way, and then I took that middle color wine and I put it in the beginning and make it just right here. This is it. This is the gray. I'm incorporating grays in each look I do from the month of May and maybe onwards until I use up all the grays that are in all the palettes that I own. And I use the Milani, the Beautiful Nightmare is the name. And I use 3 colors, gray outer corner and brow bone. This wine is in the middle and this pretty little shimmer is on the lids. This is it. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day, night, afternoon, wherever you are. And whenever you're watching this video, I pray that it brings you a little bit of joy and lighten up the load, the burden that we are always carrying. I love you dearly. Please share this video and I will see you in the next one.